From gardening to animals to extreme renovations, welcome to Homesteading at College Hill Farm. Welcome back to College Hill Farm. Well, got the fire started in the wood shop. It's a brisk 29 degrees this morning. It's not like Al Alumna up there. It's minus 20 on him. Anyway, it's a brisk 29 degrees, and it's that time of the year that you need to get your wood shop ready to work in. I've got my fire going. You can see it's started up pretty good. I've got to get this wood shop straightened up. Now there's a difference between your summer shop and a winter shop. In the summer, your workshop winds up being the catch-all for everything. There's so many things going on the homestead, in the garden, in the yard, all over, that you're really not in the shop that much. You come in the shop maybe to turn on the compressor and blow up a tire, or you come in here to build something simple that you're going to take out and use somewhere, but there's very little time spent in your shop in the summer. Well, it becomes the catch-all for everything. So I've got to get the shop cleaned up, and I need to move some stuff. I've got some heavy stuff that I need to move, and in that frame of mind, I'm going to show you how to make a set of $4 tractor bucket forks. The ones that I had on wore out. Had them on for 3 years. So we're going to go ahead and make a set of those today. As soon as the shop gets warmed up, I don't like to use my saws and things when it's 29 degrees. I like the shop to be at least 45 before I turn the saws and stuff on. You know, it makes it a little easier on them. And plus two, I've got to clean off some before I can even saw anything. So I'll get at that, and then I'll come back to you. Perfect. There's the forks. Now for the holders. Whew, she's smoky this morning. Ain't been started in a couple of weeks. Make them 16 inches, I'll be okay. Well, that's how you make a set of tractor bucket forks out of a 2x4 from Lowe's. Now, it's real simple to use. Use it just like regular tractor forks. Of course, it's not going to lift what a steel tractor fork would lift, but I've lifted 400-pound objects with it. It lifts pretty much everything that I need to move. It's really great for moving brush and odd-shaped stuff that won't fit in your tractor bucket, but it's too heavy to move by hand, or it's hard to get up in the back of a truck. It's a great truck loader. I mean, an absolutely wonderful truck loader. You can take, I've got a big power planer. It probably weighs about 350 pounds. Put the forks under there where under the rolly part. Lift that planer up and set it right in the back of my truck. It's awesome. They're awesome to use. Sometimes they can get to where they want to move in and out, and if they do that on you, just put a 2x4 or a 2x2 back there behind the uprights, and that keeps them from moving either way. You know, just a 2x4 back there screwed down to them. Okay, now if you like this kind of stuff, this homesteading, do-it-yourself kind of lifestyle, be certain to come on out to the channel and subscribe. If you hit the little bell, it'll notify you when we upload a video. We upload videos every Sunday, sometimes 1, sometimes 5. Just depends on what's going on in the homestead that week. And now, with that being said, it's time for me to clean up this messy shop, move some stuff out of the shop into storage, and get on to the next thing.